basically I want to show you how to do the Bills Laundering in Mnemonics mini app. Each of the rounds will give you AIRDROP in what is called W memo. That is what it will give you each of the rounds. Now you go back to the home page. How do you do this? How do you play this game? Now before we go ahead, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. So let's get right into it. So you click on where you see Bills Laundering, or if you don't see it there, you must see it there though. You go to AIRDROP and you'll find Bills Laundering round 5. You click on it. And it's like the Bills Laundering is like washing machine. What you will do is you will insert a certain number of bills into the washing machine. The least number of bills that you can insert at a time, the least is 10,000. So if you have 50,000 bills, please do ensure you divide it into 4, so that you can participate in each of the 4 rounds of so you can participate in each of the 4 rounds of the Bills Laundry. Because if you put all the 50 rounds one time, you may not get up to 10,000 bills before the next round of Bills Laundering. So let's get right into inserting bills. Now, if you go back, you click this small arrow and go back. Back to the home page. You notice I have almost 400,000 bills. What do? I will simply click on Bills Laundering arrow 5, that is round 5. I will divide it into 4, which will give me around, let me do a quick calculation, to give me 375,000 divided by 4. It will give me 93,000 bills for each round. All right, so I will go back to the app and I will insert 93,000 bills. 93,000 bills. I'll tap in part of the screen. I will insert it. Now, if you notice, I've inserted it. If you notice, I have like, if you see chips, I have like 1,124 chips. Now, I have to upgrade this. It's like a washing machine. If you look at the shapes, you know it's a machine. So you are laundering the bills. Now, I will insert it. I will use those bills, those chips, 1,000 chips, and upgrade to different levels. Upgrade the level of the washing machine so that it can be more efficient. So I'll say upgrade to level 2. I'll click on it. It requires 5 chips. I'll upgrade. I like to take it to the highest level. I'll upgrade to level 3, 10 chips. I use it to upgrade. Now, at each level, the capacity of the machine increases. If you see the capacity of each level, let me go to level 4, and before I upgrade, you see the capacity of the laundering machine, the laundry, will be 800 bills. Mining efficiency also increases. I use 15 chips to upgrade to level 4 from level 3. Now I will go again and it will tell me I want to upgrade to level 5. It increases to 1 million bills. I'll go to level 5 with 20 chips. All right. So I am at the highest level of the mining efficiency of this round, level 5. The bill laundering rounds have 2 phases. It has the inserting phase, it has the laundering phase. There's a point where there's a time you cannot insert again. So if I get more bills, I can still come back and say, okay, I want to add 10,000 bills to this. I have enough bills to do that right now. So I'll add 10,000 bills to it. You see, you can continuously add until the inserting phase is over. Let me add 10,000 bills to this 93,000. You see, the inserting phase is over and you can no longer insert bills. That time it will just be the laundering phase. It's a couple of days after the laundering phase. Then they will start another laundering round where you can now insert bills again. That will be round 6. All right, so that's how you launder your bills, and your bills will now convert from regular bills to the AIRDROP tokens, which is the W memo token. The higher the number of bills you have, the higher memo AIRDROP you will receive at the end of the round. So guys, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and let us keep growing together. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video.